Helix is a new bicycle startup that wants to make the best folding bikes on the planet. The Helix has a side-by-side, patent-pending folding design that places the wheels beside the frame and between the cranks. The company not only wanted to revolutionize the bicycle, but it wanted to use state-of-the-art manufacturing processes to make it happen. Now that full production has finally begun, automation will be integral to the company's success as it works through a backorder of more than 1,700 foldable bikes. The feat wouldn't have been possible without partners like the laser cutting, welding, and drilling system specialists at Prima Power Laserdyne. Helix brought in the Laserdyne 430 Beam Director Fiber Laser Machining System, or, much more concise, the 430 BDY, to precisely bevel cut titanium tubing that is used throughout the bicycle design. Helix worked closely with Prima Power's applications engineers to cut consistent, steeply beveled edges out of titanium tubing without the need for any secondary deburring or tube cleanup. The components require precise and clean cuts because the parts are then welded together with a robot. The 430 BDY also cuts the holes and slots in the tubular parts. The key to the design is the steep angle on the titanium tubes, which the Helix engineers required for maximum rigidity while keeping the overall weight down. I mean, that's likely why they use titanium as well. While the foldable Helix bike has caused a bit of excitement in the marketplace, the new 6-axis system should help the company begin finally shipping those orders in September 2018. For Thomas, I'm David Manti, and this is your Thomas Industry Update.